Hello and welcome to episode number 28 in our Pharmacy Calculations Practice Series. Okay, now we've got two questions today that are dealing with infusion rates. The first one's pretty easy. The second one will add another step to kind of get you familiar with what types of conversions you may have to do when dealing with these types of questions. So this first one states that a physician orders a patient to receive a 1 liter infusion of normal saline solution over 30 minutes. What is the infusion rate in milliliters per minute? Okay, so we need to get from infusing 1 liter over 30 minutes to figuring out how many milliliters that will be per 1 minute. And the first step is knowing how to convert from liters to milliliters. When you're preparing for the PTCE, you definitely need to memorize all of your metric unit conversions, and you need to know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Now this is pretty straightforward because we're dealing with 1 liter, so we already know off the bat we're also that's equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Now we're going to give that over 30 minutes, so all we need to do now is figure out how many milliliters that is per minute. And if we go to our simple foolproof method of setting up a proportion with what you're solving for in the numerator on the right, so we need to know how many milliliters, so X milliliters, are we going to infuse per 1 minute. And we put our known ratio on the left using the same unit positions. So in the numerator we need milliliters. So the order is to give 1,000 milliliters, right? 1 liter over 30 minutes. All right, so this is our always proportion setup when we go to convert from a known ratio to what we're trying to solve for. And to solve this proportion with cross multiplication, it looks like this. You solve the left-hand side of the equation, 1,000 milliliters divided by 30 minutes, and then you cross multiply it by the denominator on the right. And when you do it like that, those two units cross out and we're left with milliliters. And the math is 1,000 divided by 30 times 1. So this is going to be 33.3 milliliters per minute, essentially. That is our answer. Now, if you have multiple choice options, maybe you've got to round that up to the nearest whole number. Maybe it's 33.33, but you get the idea.